All right, now if the CMMG 308 doesn't jam, then that is going to be
at least one shot off.
the trigger of our explodingness here.
You got something sitting over there in that tree branch?
Yeah, the green.
Woohoo! All right, obligatory redneck noise. That was the little one.
We need a welder.
Great.
Where's Vince today?
Well, the target stand is now effed.
Oh my god.
That was awesome. And bits of shit are still falling out of the sky.
I got a toothpick stuck in my teeth. What was that?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this fun was brought to you by Tannerite and Rednecks. Sponsored by AR15.com and B&R Guns.